Alrighty, got another short video here, and you guessed it, this video will be about coins. That's what we like to talk about on this channel. It'll be about silver coins and a little bit of copper. So just pour these out. Just bullion rounds here for the most part today. So two that I was interested in. We've got the continuation of the Zombucks Series 2. They had the Pandemonium. And now they've got Kuka Buried. And I gave a little speculation on the last one, just kind of wondering what they might do. I thought maybe they'd come out with a Krugerrand, but here they are. Pretty good. Pretty good. I didn't look at them actually closely, so there may be milk spotting. I'm not sure. Hard to see perfectly through the camera. Overall, I do like this design. I do indeed. You got the dead bird. Some good detail on him. The gore, his rib cage. Yeah, that's about that. I don't like the future dated years. For the life of me, I cannot understand why. For the series 1 and 2, they put all these future years. Just why? It's supposed to be like a sci-fi novel set in the year 2026, then we get there and still no zombies. You know, there's a little bit of scratching, some scuffs and dings, but overall I think they're pretty good there. Provident was the original retailer that carried these. They were bought by JM, so now JM and Provident sell these on their website. And they're a little pricey. They do carry a bit of a premium over other things. But they're not too far out of line. So if you're just grabbing a couple for your collection, or if they go on sale, because that does happen, I think there's still plenty of the Panda rounds left over. Look at those scratches around the edge. I can live with it, because to me it's just a bullion coin. But like, they don't all have that. This is a nice one, looks like. Yeah, those are pretty good. I think they're probably made by Silvertown. I like that Egyptian series they got with Provident. That's also probably made by Silvertown. The other coin, and I threw in just a buffalo. I got sales tax in my state if it's under 1,000, and I can't keep buying $1,000 orders every time I want one little round. It's very annoying. Excuse me. What am I looking at here? Oh, I already took one out. This was on Bullion exchanges, I believe. We've got an Australian piece of history. Pretty nice round. Very shiny, as we can see here. I'm no expert, but I believe they found a really sizable gold nugget, one of the biggest ever, probably 100 years ago. The Eureka gold nugget in Australia, Western Australia. And there's not a lot going on here. Not a lot of wording. It doesn't even say Eureka Nugget. It just says the Eureka. And I think you got a little kookaburra on the left. Pretty nice design. It's actually it's a bit high relief. Didn't half-ass it. This side is pretty boring. I'm assuming that's pretty much what their retail company logo looks like. Would have been nice if it's Australia on here somewhere, or if it maybe had their address like Melbourne. I don't know where they are actually. But yeah, so I picked up a couple of these. I thought that was pretty neat, but you never know if you're looking at a picture online if it's going to actually look good in person. So you don't always want to buy a full tube of something that's new. And then lastly, I just threw in a couple of these. These are way overpriced. I used to buy copper rounds for like $1 to get over a minimum order limit. They were charging like $2.80 for this. I know it's a collector's piece, but that's still a bit of an outrage. Same with this one. Right around there, a little lower, but it's a pretty nice looking copper round. I've got a bunch of the other ones. I don't know why I bought all these. Bag of copper rounds. Wow, not that many pandas. I was wasting money. Yeah, so you used to be able to get most of these other ones for like $1. Maybe less. I don't know, 79 cents. But $2.80, that's way too much. Anyways, that was it. Just a short video on the new kooks. Kook buried. I do like that. A new round. First time I've seen this. And yeah, that's a pretty cool round. Very nice. What else was I gonna say? Oh, maybe Provident will come out with that new Egyptian coin. Seems like they'll keep making those. I think the last one came out early this year, so they're due probably for another Egyptian series. Anyways, I'll sign off and talk to you later.